Hello students, I am Pratha Nanavati from Saraswat International Academy. We are learning Maths of Standard 5, Chapter number 3, How Many Squares, Part 2. In last video, we have completed our first page of this chapter and have solved perimeter of rectangle. Now we are going to start this topic, measure stems. Okay. You can observe here few stems are given and which are placed on a squared paper. What we have to do? Look at this interesting stems. Okay, and here it is given that stem D covers 12 squares. Each square is of side 1 centimeter, so the area of stem D is 12 square centimeter. This time we are going to do area. Students, area means what? Area means space occupied by a shape. Clear? Now in first question it is given how many squares of 1 centimeter side does a stem A covers. Okay, we will start counting it. Pay attention here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First row is completed, then 6, then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. How many boxes are there? 18 boxes are there. Okay, just like this we will count boxes occupied by each stem. First of all we will count it. Okay, for B1 here there are 18 boxes. Okay, here for D1 it is given that 12 boxes are occupied. For B1 we will count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So for stem B there are 8 boxes. Clear? For C1 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So for stem C1 6 boxes. For D1 it is already given. Now for E1 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 boxes. So we will write over here 4. And the last one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So for last F1 there are also 12 boxes. Clear everyone? So the A1 is given that how many squares of 1 centimeter side does stem A covers. So answer will be what? 18. In A1 only another question is given that and stem B. So for stem B we will write 8. Students, you have to copy these questions in your notebook and you have to write down the answers also. Clear? Getting it or not? Okay, now we will go for B1. Which stamp has the biggest area? How many squares of of side 1 centimeter does this stamp cover? How much is the area of the biggest stamp? Okay, so now we have to find out the area of each stamp by method. Okay, so we will start with area of stamp A is equals to length multiply by breadth. We have to write formula every time. Okay, length and breadth. Here in slipping, how many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we will write over here 6. And here standing 1, 2, 3. For stamp A, we have to count, so only 3 boxes. Clear? Getting it or not? So 6 centimeter multiplied by 3 centimeter is equals to 18 square centimeter. Okay, one more thing, square centimeter. Okay, and square centimeter, this both are same, but this is in shortcut. We can write like this also. Clear? Okay, whenever in question it is given in centimeter, side is given in centimeter, at that time you have to use square centimeter, and whenever in question it is given in meter, at that time we will use square meter. Getting it or not? But when we are talking about area, at that time we have to use square centimeter or square meter. Clear? Only perimeter is given, at that time we have to use only meter or centimeter. Okay, next one, area of stem B. Again, length into breadth. Again we have to count here 2 boxes and in standing 4 boxes. So 2 centimeter multiplied by 4 centimeter is equals to 8 square centimeter. In question it is given only that each square is of side 1 centimeter. That's why we are going to write centimeter. Clear? So we will write area of stem B is equals to 8 square centimeter. Clear? Next, area of stem C. Again, length multiplied by breadth. Every time you have to write down formulas. Okay, now you have to observe it in figure that for length and breadth of stem C, 3 centimeter multiplied by 2 centimeter, 3 2s are 6, 6 square centimeter. Clear? So area of stem C is equals to 6 square centimeter. Next one, area of stem D is equals to length multiplied by breadth. Again you have to count it from figure. In sleeping there are 4 boxes and in standing there are 3 boxes. So 4 centimeter multiplied by 3 centimeter is equals to 12 centimeter. 12 square centimeter. Our area of stem D is equals to 12 square centimeter. Now next, area of stem E is equals to length multiplied by breadth. Again it is of 2 by 2, 2 length, 2 breadth. So it is square type, right? 2 centimeter multiplied by 2 centimeter is equals to 4 square centimeter. Area of stem E is equals to 4 square centimeter. Next, area of stem F is equals to length multiplied by breadth. Again, this time slipping there are 3 boxes and standing there are 4 boxes. So 3 multiplied by 4, again 12 square centimeter. So area of stem F is equals to 12 square centimeter. If we observe it, out of all the stems, stem A has the biggest area of 18 square centimeter. Clear? This is the answer of first one. Clear? Second one. C1, which 2 stems have the same area? How much is the area of each of this stem? S square centimeter. We know that stem D and F have the same area. So we will write it that stem D and F have the same area. It is already given by method. So we will write directly here the area of stem D and F each is 12 square centimeter. Clear? Here there is no need to do method as we have done it in first one only. Clear? D1, the area of the smallest stamp is dash square centimeter. The difference between the area of the smallest and the biggest stamp is dash square centimeter. So we will write here area of the biggest stamp is 18 square centimeter. As we know, which stamp has the biggest area? A. Clear? Now, area of the smallest stamp is equals to 4 square centimeter. Which stamp has the smallest area? Do you know that? Do you remember it? E. Which stamp has smallest area? E. So we will write difference is equals to 18 minus 4. So answer will be 14 square centimeter. Getting it or not? Here it is given that collect some old stamps, place them on square grid and find their area and perimeter. If you have stamps, old stamps, then you can do this at home. Okay? Guess. Means here there will be not any long method or countings. Okay? We just have to understand and we have to answer it. A1, which has the bigger area? One of your footprints or the page of this book? Can you tell me practically what will be answer? Area means place occupied by a thing or a shape. Okay? Which two things are given? Footprints and the page of this book. Just tell me, can you place your footprints on a page? Just imagine, we don't have to do that. Just imagine whether you can fix your footprints on a page. Will your footprint will cover full page? No, it will not cover full page, as your footprint has a smaller area than book. So the page of this book has the bigger area. Are you getting it or not? Suppose this is our page and your footprint will be something like this. My drawing is not so good, so just understand it. Okay, so it will not cover full area, okay, of this page. So the page of this book has the bigger area. Getting it or not? Second one, B1, which has the smaller area? 2 5 rupee notes together or a 100 rupee note? Okay, again we just have to think. Here you can see it is given that which has the smaller area. Okay, 2 5 rupee notes together and a 100 rupee note. So practically, suppose this is our 100 rupee note and this is our 5 rupee note together. Practically, can you tell me which notes will cover more area? Obviously this two, right? Because if we will take only one note, then this will cover bigger area. But here 2 notes are given and we have to observe the area of both the notes. So 2 5 rupee notes will cover more area, and in question it is given which has smaller area. So we have to write it, a 100 rupee note has the smaller area than 2 5 rupee notes. C1, look at a 10 rupee note. Is its area more than 100 square centimeter? 100 square centimeter. means what? Suppose this is 1 square centimeter box, as we had seen it in first question. Okay, like this, there are 10 boxes in this line and 10 boxes in standing line. That is called 100 square centimeter. Is our 10 rupee note is that much of big? Is the area of 10 rupee note is that? No. Practically we can understand it that the area of 10 rupee note is less than 100 square centimeter. Area of the 10 rupee note is not that much of big. Okay, so we will write no. Pay attention, this all the question answers you have to write it in your notebook. You have to copy the question and answer both. Okay, and if you have any doubt you have to ask me. Clear? Okay, D1, is the area of the blue shape more than the area of the yellow shape? Question mark. Why? As in question given, we have to check whether given two shapes are equal or not. Means area of given shapes are equal or not. For that, we are taking 4 triangles of same area. Here they are. First one. Look, this one is second one. You can observe it that they are same, and here it is third one. So all 4 triangles are same. Now next is we are taking these 2 yellow colored triangles and I am going to make a rectangle. We are using that triangle only. Which shape is that? Rectangle. Clear? With 2 yellow triangles we made a rectangle. Now we will take blue triangles which are of same measure. These 2 triangles we are going to convert it into a big triangle. Just observe it. Oh yes, it becomes a triangle. Can you observe it? So we can say that the area of both the shapes, you can observe it, rectangle and triangle, which are made up of the same measures of triangle. You know that all 4 triangles, small triangles, are of same measure. So the area of these 2 shapes, which rectangle and big triangle, so the area of this both are same. Clear? So as I explain it to you, our answer will be what? No, the area of blue shape is equal to the area of the yellow shape, as both the shapes are made up of the same pair of triangles. Getting it or not? Means this one, this one, this one and this one. These 4 triangles are of same measure. Just arrangement of these 4 triangles are going to be changed. So they occupy same place. So the area of both the shape rectangle and triangle is equal. Clear?